Happy New Year, it's your boy Wild Style. I'm here with the P99 Stang. No, today's video is not about the car, it's actually about the truck. But I wanted to at least kick off by saying Happy New Year, let you know that there is a new video being shot this coming week for this car. Got a cool installation. No, this video today is about the truck. And just like I told you guys when I first started with all new projects, I take on the little stuff first. Why? Well, because this stuff's expensive, right? So this car has a very old radio, or truck has a very old radio. It has zero tech in it, this Xterra. So I got an FM modulator, and I wanted to be able to install it so that not only would I be adding the ability to hear my phone calls, but it adds a little USB power for charging, and it just takes zero tech to some little tech while I save up to get an all new stereo and all that new stuff. So this video is about that. If you just got your Xterra just taking on the little stuff, well then this is the channel for you. So I hope you guys had an amazing new year. There is a video being shot right now for this, so it'll be out very, very soon, and there's lots more to come. So enjoy. Happy New Year, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So this 2010 Xterra has a old original radio. It's got CD, FM, and AM, and that's it. No aux input, no nothing. So our first improvement is right there. Let me show you what it is. It's tiny, it's cheap, but it's gonna make a world of difference, and I can finally use my phone for some entertainment in this nice truck with zero tech in it. So there it is. It's an FM transmitter that's going to allow me to plug this into the lighter, and I'll be able to then send the Bluetooth from my phone to this. But it also has USBs. It's going to allow me to have some flexibility in a truck that has zero technology. And plus, it looks like it might be kind of colorful, so it might add just a little bit to the interior. Let's take a look. All right, so it's kind of a rainy day, or it looks like it might be a rainy day. So I'm going to see if I can install this quick, and let's see if we can get this to work. That would be fun for me. I would be super happy if we can get this installed. We already have the space for it right there. Okay, now in order to use this, I'm gonna have to pair it to the phone, so at some moment I'm going to stop recording. But as you can see, I bought this used, so yeah, it's missing a slot there. So this is the slot that I have available, which right now I use for my Garmin. But once I get a new head unit, I'm not going to need the Garmin because I'm going to have navigation in the unit. As you can see, I sort of twisted it so that it tilts upward. And they said to put it in here and that it will light up. Ooh, it did. Very cool. And I guess it's waiting for a device, so I need to pair my phone, and then I should be able to play music. So I'm going to pair my phone, and then I will get back to you guys. 1 second. All right, so it worked perfectly. Super simple. You just plug it in right here, and then you just power the unit on. And as soon as it comes on, you pair it with the, let me see if I have to hold it down for like 3 seconds here. There you go. Tells you the voltage of the car, and then it automatically pairs with your phone. Right now it's saying no device, but it is connected to my Bluetooth. I tested it. The phone call sounds great. Now, it is an FM transmitter, so there's a tiny bit of sort of static as it plays through the channel. Obviously, you're looking for a channel on the radio that's set to like a static number, like an 88 or a 90, where there's no radio. Let me see if I could power up my car here with my other hand so I could show you. 1 second. So as you can hear, the static right there on 88.3, if I just go to 88.1, it's quiet because it's paired with it. And right down here, you would just hit channel up and down. Let me see, right here, channel up, 88.2. It's no longer, now it's static, you hear it? But when you get to the same one that your stereo's in, which is 88.1, it's now locked in. And if you play music or make a phone call, you hear it through your speakers. So it's that simple. I know it's not a big deal, right? It's just an FM transmitter. But when you have a truck that has absolutely zero tech, I mean, this is the base model. Look at that. All switches are empty. Old stereo that only has CD, and all the buttons are broken. So we're going to replace this. But I don't know when I can do that, right? So in the meantime, this allows me to now have my phone, listen to music through my phone, the music I want to listen to, and I'm not limited to just this. So, and then once I get navigation and all that good stuff through there, it eliminates the Garmin, and then that frees up more space, and it looks great. So that, I know it's simple. I know it's easy to shut it off. You just hold it down for 3 seconds and it's gone. That's it. And then you take your key out. So that is it for that small improvement. Hope you guys like it. So there you have it, guys. A super fast, quick upgrade to the Xterra. Very small, very simple. That's how I do my channels. I do stuff that the everyday person would do if they bought one of these today. Mine's missing a little trim. I just ordered it. You know, I'm trying to get stuff in the mail. If you look right here, the door, it's missing a small trim. I found a guy that's parting out a truck. I ordered those parts. They're in the mail. Little trim just to try to get it back as close to original as possible before I start to do things that are bigger and obviously funner for you guys, the viewers. But there's a quick FM transmitter. I got it on Facebook Marketplace, $23. And look, it did the trick. Now I can take phone calls. Now I can listen to my music, and small upgrade. I hope you guys like the video. Really, it's so simple. I know it's a simple video, but little things first, and then we get to the big boy stuff. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's a brand new year. I'd like to get the subs up to 1,000, so share it with a friend. I try to make content that everybody can do on a budget. And yeah, we're gonna get to the big stuff. Oh, it's coming. But obviously that takes moolah. So the more support I get on the channel, we can get there a little quicker. Hope you guys had an amazing new year again. I can't wait to see you on the next video. And hey, share it with a friend.